Hey, it's what Javon. Hey, I got her up. Hey, Shy's in the bathroom right now. She's showering. Hey, I have some duct tape. I have a duct tape. I'm finna do a little prank on her real quick. She's in the shower right now. I can't do the full intro. I gotta hurry up. She's in the shower. She's in there for 5 minutes. So I gotta hurry up. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it's gonna be crazy. Spam the comment, like, subscribe. We finna get going. Guys, don't mind the mess behind me. We just woke up. She's showering with a duct tape. Dang, with a duct tape. The duct tape is right here. Guys, I'm finna just go in there, grab her, and I'm just gonna tape her up. So I need to hurry up. This is gonna be so funny. This was like a last minute prank. Just got like and subscribe. I'm sorry if I'm all over the place. I'm trying to hurry up. Like, comment, subscribe. I got 2 duct tape. I don't know if I'm gonna use both, but like and subscribe. And yeah, let's do this, guys. Let's do this. I'm trying to hurry up.
What?
So I'm gonna bring the camera in the shower. She's showering right now. She's not gonna expect this. Yo, it's gonna be so funny. She's not gonna expect this. Let's go. I got no time left. Let's go.
What, babe? No. What is you, babe? What are you doing? What is this? Jeez! Jesus Christ! What is this? Divine! What is doing? You're really wet. Look at this. It's dirty. What are you doing?
Oh my god. Babe. Oh my god. Babe, you good?
I'm a kick.
There you go. There you go. Oh, I can't show.
Son.
I'm not showing it. I'm not showing it. Oh my god. Look at it. I can't show. Yo, I'm wet.
You got wet.
Ooh, I'm wet.
I'm glad you got wet.
Ooh, the camera is wet too. Ooh. Man, it was just random. It's just random.
This is off me.
Oh my god. Man, chill. It was just random. Oh my god. Man, pull your shirt up. Chill, it was just random. It was just random prank. Ooh.
Get the shit off me.
Chill out, bro. Man, it was just a random prank. Oh my goodness. Yo, she took the whole shower down. She took the whole shower down. Man, chill out. It was just a little prank, man.
Tell me to stop me.
Huh? Oh my god. What you doing? What you doing? Come back in the shower. Come back in the shower.
Cold. Cold. I got soap and now, get this off.
Yeah, I can't show.
Tell me to stop, but they see you stick your legs.
Man, it's a little prank. I had to. Look at her, look at her, look at her. Man, chill out, bro. Hey, I'm trying to show you. Can you fix up? Oh, yo, she took the whole thing down. You wildin'. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, what you do? Good morning.
Tell me to stop me. I'm going to show the shower and see. Tell me to stop. Where is it?
Yo, I think that was a success. Ooh, that was so random, bro. Man. Get out. How you gonna come out?
Tell me to get out. I still got soap on me.
How you gonna come out?
Look at my hair.
How you gonna come out? Oh, guys, it's kind of foggy. How you gonna come out? Ooh. Alright, let me help you. Let me end the video. She's so mad. She can't even move. She can't move.
I'm going to show you to move.
Ooh, do something. Do something. Do something. Yeah, you can't do something. Hey. Chill out, bro. Do something. You can't move. Do something. Hey. Yeah. Do something. Do something. Do something. Why? Hey. Chill out.
Maybe I want to get to bed with you. Come on.
Nah, I can't show too much because you know. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here, man. I think I got that good.
I'm out of breath.
But you gotta like or subscribe, man. It was just so random. So random. Like or subscribe, man. I'm gonna catch you guys next video. Peace and love. We out. Wait, anything you guys wanna say? Alright, we out.